Good afternoon, my name is Gavin Knox, Managing Director of hydrogenfuelsystems.com.au, webpage www.hydrogenfuelsystems.com.au, email glknox11@live.com or glknox11@live.com or glknox@dodo.com.au. This is a Generation 20 system mounted into a steel enclosure box, which is ideal for engines up to and greater than 8 litre capacity. The system is ideal for small to large trucks. As you can see quite clearly here, the gas production is very, very high. Currently it's running at a current of 20 amps and a voltage input of 12.3 volts. This system is mounted into a steel enclosure box. It's also available in a plastic enclosure box and a checker plate aluminium enclosure box. I can be contacted on my email, glknox11@live.com. I look forward to speaking to you soon. Goodbye.